abata n'obiafa dibịa Odumodu ya bụ ogwulu amarobe ndị nze. O were ụmụ ọlụ karaka ofu na ụmụ ọlụ karaka o were bụ Ichie Alusi Odumodu n'onwe ya. Lekwa ihe Alusi Odumodu ya bụ Ichie nwafa dibịa ogwulu amarobe ndị nze ya bụ dibịa Odumodu. Lekwa Ichie Alusi nọ n'obiafa dibịa Odumodu. Lekwa ihe o kwuru gbasara dibịa Odumodu n'onwe ya.
Oyi Ichie Odumodu. Alusi Odumodu. Alusi Odumodu. Ke nke ị na-eme kịta?
A na-eme ọkụkọ. Ọkụkọ m kwuru na Odumodu, Alusi Odumodu. Ka m na-eji kịta. Anywhere you come, make you chop the meat. You carry blessing to go. With the blessing. This is your cooker. I do here store mama. Uta ike.
Ike ọkụkọ. Eke ọkụkọ.
Eke ọkụkọ. Yeah. This one they cut now. Now they go use pray for give Odumodu first before Odumodu will really me. Yes.
Can they more?
It is more. It is more they go chop before we eat. You can't eat it. I get it now on waterproof. If you put out the yam, no go see yam to collect.
Okay. Alusi Odumodu.
Yeah. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I have a good morning or good afternoon or good evening. Anybody who has sickness, stroke, headache, stomach, any kind of sickness, woman will carry belly, even 9 months is supposed to born. You can born 10 months or born 11 months. If you come here, they get medicine where they will use to cook. They will cook them. They will cook them on the fire. So they carry and give the woman drink.
What of the one where they find children?
Where they find the key. If you come here, now the same thing. Only 3 days.
You say what?
Any woman, well, not the carry belly. If you come here, you will carry belly. Oh, Borobu, I can hear. You go wash the whole system, everything out for toilet, and you urinate for the other one outside. Even the urinate self, you no go see them. Even the shit is on toilet self, you no go see them. But everything you go wash out before setting up. Only I give out that 1 week. You will carry belly. If you carry belly, you go born. You go born without no hospital. You go to your house, go born. No hospital. No money to go pay doctor. If you born finish, anything you lack, they take cost a lot to Alusi Odumodu. Anything you lack. They only charge you. If you like, you carry fowl. If you like, carry cow. If you like, carry goat. If you like, carry ram. Anyone, what you carry car, that's all they will take them.
Well done.
Yeah.
Alusi Odumodu. Alusi Odumodu.
So now, the remaining yam now to put up a fire. I want to put the yam now, make a put up a fire. Make a start to cook them. Give me only 10 minutes. The food will go done. Quick.
Okay.